So let's talk about segment 3, diagnostic tools. So what is the troubleshooting toolkit? At a minimum, a good meter, clamp meter, and installation tester. Another good basic toolkit is understanding the mechanical process, understanding belt tension, understanding how gearboxes work, lubrication, understanding that. You get the great understanding of mechanical processes. That would be a great toolkit in your knowledge. Now, we'll go more complicated tools, which it helped me very much, is a thermal camera. It's great for spotting hot spots. There are times where you use the thermal camera and you're like, why is that motor hot? Motor's steaming. And you decide to look into it. It's not the motor, it's the gearbox. There's times where I'm looking at it and most of the heat's coming from the gearbox. The gearbox over time loses oil or grease. Sometimes you just got to re-grease it. We re-grease it. That temperature went down to normal temperature. Bang, done, over. That's why it's great to have thermal imaging. Now, there's another tool I used. I used oscilloscope. Man, they're good. Oscilloscope, learn how to use that. It helps you with harmonics. It determines if the voltage is fluctuating. It helped me get out of trouble. You can check to see if the phase in phase is good. It looks for spikes in amperage and torque, so sometimes drives don't have that. So it helps you see the torque and amperage. But you do realize you have to be trained on it. Take the time to train yourself in oscilloscope. There's one time it kicked me in the butt. We were putting a new safety system in. And we're spending all day. I put all the new guts in. I did all the work. It looked beautiful, beautiful work. So I'm in there. We're troubleshooting. We're the experiment. We decide to keep testing. We're ready to start. We hit start. We're able to run for a minute. We go offline. Hit start again. I won't do it. It goes right to a fault. We're like, what is going on? We were pulling our hair out. I had official engineers there from that company that was building that for us. They couldn't figure out. So I'm like, gosh, man, we need to do something here. So I'm like, what else can we do? Because it's got to be something with the safety system. New components. The old safety devices gave you a pretty big window of tripping. These new safety MSRs, master safety relays, they trip quickly. So what we had to do, we got an oscilloscope. We hooked it up. And oh my, it was such an easy find. The contactor was bouncing so quick we couldn't see it, but the MSR did. From that bouncing, it was less than 5 milliseconds, but the MSR, master say, was 2 millisecond set point. Oh my gosh, we spent hours on that. And all it was a master safety relay, was the bouncing of the contactor. That is it. So how did we fix it? We didn't. The company went back and put a safety PLC in instead.